Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today in this video we will see addition of two matrices by using two-dimensional array. For addition of two matrices, let us understand the basic concept how to add these two matrices. For that purpose, we need to declare two matrices, the matrices A and matrices B. Let us assume this is a matrix A and this is a matrix B, which is consisting of, will take like, don't think about my drawing. I'm just drawing with the help of brush, so definitely it's not going to be coming straight lines, but try to understand the concept. That is very important. So let us understand, we'll having two matrices where we'll having like the values like, for example, two, any values like 6, 8, and so on. For example, 4, 3, 1, 5, again 5, and suppose 7. This is the values of A matrices, and similarly we'll have matrices values like 1, 2, 3. See, before doing any of the program, we should understand the logic. Then only you can able to perform the programs. Once you know the logic, you can able to perform programs very easily. So for that purpose only, I am just taking one example, how to add two matrices. So these are my two matrices. I just wanted to add these two matrices and I want to store the result of this matrices in the third matrices. For example, if I'll take the third matrices here, the third matrices, if I'll declare that third matrices as a name of the array is C. So how we are going to add these two matrices? We need to pick this value first. The location, you know now very well, 0th row, 0th column, plus it should be add with the 0th row, 0th column of the B matrix. That is 2 plus 1, and it should store where 0th row and 0th column of the C matrix. That is the value, then it will become a 3. Similarly, if I want to add the 6th, the second value of A matrix, this value plus this value must be stored at this location. So probably you might be understanding the basic structure, how I'm going to add. So I need to declare first A matrix, I need to declare B matrix, and the third matrix will be empty matrix. The addition of these two matrices will be, right, I'm going to store on the third matrix. For that purpose, your two matrices dimension must be same. So this dimension is 3 by 3. Both the matrices same dimension, right? So that your storing matrices should also have what? 3 by 3 matrices. So directly we'll jump on to the Eclipse editor to see this program practically, how it's possible. For that purpose, I'm declaring one array, demo add array. The first thing, I'll declare two types of array, two arrays, sorry, int A, and we know that we can directly initialize the variables also, the array variables also. How to do that? For example, I have the values like 1, 2, 3. This is my first row. 4, 5, 6, second row. Not required comma after the third one. Comma. And the last one is, for example, 7, 8, 9. This is my first matrix. 3 rows. I'll copy this. Control C, Control V. Matrix will be changed. That is the second matrix B. I'll change the value like 1, 1, 1 for the sake of easy logic. This is 2, comma 2, comma 2, and the last one is 3, comma 3, comma 3. Right? I have declared and initialized and instantiate, because automatic instantiation will be taken place whenever you are going to declare an array like this. So I want one more array to store the result, right? For that also we require the same dimension. So I'll directly, I cannot initialize because I don't know exactly values right now after adding that. That is what I want to perform. So here the variable type is int and the size will be 3, comma 3. This is for use to store the addition of two matrices. Okay, fine. Clear. Now we need to apply the logic. If you want to print this matrices in the form of this matrix, yes, we can do that. We know that how to do that. Int I is equals to 0, as we know that the index will be start with the 0 and the number of rows are 3. So I plus plus, this is the first for loop for rows, and the second for loop, like we already seen this in my previous video, j equal to 0, j plus j less than 3 and j plus plus. This is for second one, right? And here I'll declare, I want to print just for example. So sys out is a shortcut for printing the statement. Control plus space. You just type sys out and control plus space. It will give the entire line. And I want to print. What is the name of my array? A of, you know that now how to print this, I and j. After that, plus, then you know that space. Okay. And here we should not use what? Println, because I want the value just after this one. Then sys out, control space, sometime it will not come in the next line. It's for new line. So this is what this for loop printing what? Printing a array. Okay, I'll copy this. I want for second one also. Control V, and this is printing what? B, second array. Only the thing I need to change what here? I need to change this B instead of A. It save your code automatically. Okay, I'll execute this one. Run as Java application. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. These are the values of your first array, and the second array is what? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Right? If you want to give one message before printing, you can also do that. Formatting is very important. Okay, if you want to give like a one statement here, what is that? This out. Like what? Matrix B. It's all about formatting. Control C, and here Control V. It's what? So matrix A. Now if I'll run, you will get more clarity. Like matrix A, matrix B. Okay. Now I want to print the addition of the matrix, or else I'll leave the like direct printout statement. What is that? Addition of matrix A and B. And then we'll apply the logic. For a logic also, what I'll do, I'll copy this entire code, because we require anyway two loops. Only the thing is what? Instead of printing here, what I'll do, I'll apply the logic. How to add that? I don't require right now because I'm not printing. See, always formatting is required when you're printing. See, logic. Here I want to write the logic of what? Addition of two matrices. We have one matrix, we have another matrix. You know that how to add this value should be added with this value. Already we have seen in the description, this one. Okay. So 0, 0 of A, 0, 0 of B. Are you getting or not? The first value 0, 0 of A plus 0, 0 of B, it should be stored in where? 0, 0 of C. So how I'm going to write this logic? Here I'll write the storing variable always should be in the left side. Okay, so C of where I want to store I, then J equals to A of I J plus B of I and J. Very simple logic. That's all. This is the logic of adding two matrices. Okay. How the things are going, the initial value of a row, that is 0. 0 is less than 3, right? Condition will be true. It will come inside this loop. Okay. How the things are working, we'll just try to elaborate more. Suppose I'm copying here. Let me try to give a better understanding. It's control B, and suppose if I want to increase the size 18, fine. Okay. How the things will work? Here the first value will be I equal to 0. Okay. I equal to 0 means I'm talking about row. Okay. The first value of I equal to what? I equal to 0. And we're checking what 0 less than 3. Is my condition is true? If it is true, it comes in the column loop. And when it comes in the column loop, right? If you can observe here, see this here. Again, this J value is becoming 0. Okay, so value will become what here? J equal to 0. I mean the first column, which will check the condition. Is my 0 less than 3? Yes, that means it will come inside this particular statement, this statement. Now we know the value of I and J is what? The value of I and J are C of, what is the value of I? 0. What is the value of J? 0 equals to, again, A of, what is the value of A? I, sorry, that is 0. What is the value of J? 0 plus B. Again, I, because I value and G value are initially 0. So 0 and 0. That means what? C of 0, 0. If you carefully observe this diagram, C of 0, 0, this is what I'm trying to store, is the combination of what? A of 0, 0 plus P of 0, 0. Right? That is the reason why it will add what? The first value of A and first value of B. After that, what happened? J, because it's an inner loop. See, always remember, until and unless the inner loop will complete its execution, it will not go and check for the outer loop. Inner loop, I value is 0, J value is 0, J value is 0, right? Right? So the loop will go and again increment the value of J. J will become, instead of 0, it will become 1. Okay. I is 0, J is 1. That means what? I is 0 means first value. First value. And J is 0 means what? The next column value. Like that. Right? Once I will become 3, sorry, J will become 3. Right? What happened? The condition will become false here. And then your I, the row value, because one row will be finished. We need to jump for the next row. Okay, so here your I value will become, now next line will be 1. Again the condition will check, it will come inside. Again 3 times the loop will iterate inside only. J will become false. Go again, it will increase the row, come again for 3 times, like that. This is called as a dry run. Okay, so here exactly the things will happen like that only. Okay, after that, once the addition will be done, I want to print Cij. Okay, for that purpose, same story. printing B array like that, no? Where we'll print what now? Control C, and we'll print Control V, and this time I'll print like, mm, okay, message is already coming from here. So I'll not do anything. Okay. Mm, Delete printing what C array. Instead of this B, I'll print what? C. That's all. Program is done. Now check the output. If I'll execute this, A, B, right? I'm printing now. So you can check the values. 1 plus 1 is 2. Second value. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Like that. You're going to get all the value. Okay, so this is what about the addition of two matrices. We'll come up with some more videos on arrays and strings in my coming videos. Till then, bye bye.